Hello, David here, and the project for today is reviewing these flap discs for my angle grinder. These are made by NEIKO or NEIKO. Not being able to pronounce that name kind of reminds me, I ran into that before. Remember I did a video reviewing this torque wrench. That was a NEIKO or NEIKO as well. Nice product, I liked it. So this is a pack of 10. I got them on Amazon. Model number 11143A. It's $23.13 with tax. Got a thank you card. 4.5 inch diameter, 60 grit, bevel type T29. That means there's a little bevel on there. Arbor size 7/8 of an inch. Maximum RPM 13,300 revolutions. Made with zirconia. And this is going to go on my Harbor Freight 4.5 inch angle grinder. Got to lock the spindle by pushing that button in. What I had on here was just a 4-inch flap disc. This was an aluminum oxide. This is from Harbor Freight, and I think I paid $3.50 for this. See, already the arbor size is different. This is bigger than this. However, you know, when I look at this, this is the wrong size for this angle grinder. This is 4-inch, but the arbor's wrong. This arbor does fit that perfectly. And this goes down with the high point, the proud point going down. I want to make sure that it doesn't hit the safety guard. Push that button down and lock it in. All this time I was using the wrong size flap disc. It's kind of disturbing, but it was working well. If you're curious, these flap discs come in grits of 40, 60, 80, and 120 grit. And if you could see what the little bit of grinding I did, I maybe ran it for a minute or two. You can see how much wear there is. That's a new flap disc. So these wear out pretty fast. Overall, it worked pretty well and I'm satisfied. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.
Yeah, I am radical. We need to get radical about what we are doing and take it seriously.
As President of the United States, I am prepared to get rid of the filibuster to pass a Green New Deal. There's no question I'm in favor of banning fracking. We have to have a buyback program, and I support a mandatory buyback program.
I believe it will totally eliminate private insurance.
Let's eliminate all of that.
But would you support changing the dietary guidelines?
Yes.
You know, the food pyramid, what people
Yes.
to reduce red meat specifically.
Yes, I would.
Raise your hand if your government plan would provide coverage for undocumented immigrants. Where do you stand on defund the police?
This whole movement is about rightly saying we need to take a look at these budgets.
Harris asserted that ICE is perceived as the modern-day Ku Klux Klan.
Are you aware that there's a perception?
I see no.
Are you aware that there's a
that
perception?
puts ICE in the same category as the KKK? Is that what you're asking me? I see no parallel.
I'm not finished.
I see none.
And yeah, I am radical. We need to get radical about what we are doing.